this way. It's Norm, the producer.
Hi, I'm Denny Woodkin. And the monologue that I'll be performing now is from the play entitled The Audition by Gavin Hollerwood.
Well, how apropos.
You can start anytime.
Okay. Can I use this chair?
Sure.
Oh, no, I started it. That's part of the monologue.
Oh, God. Oh, I thought you were asking us to.
No, I was doing it.
Okay.
Can I use this chair?
Yeah, it's
No.
fine.
No.
1 to 1. I'm sorry. It's...
Let me.
Yeah, start again.
Can I use this chair? Seriously, can I use it? Hello? I need it for the audition. Could somebody answer me? Jesus, talk to me.
Yeah, it's fine.
No!
Okay. We'll get it this time.
All right, can I start again?
Please do.
Can I use this chair? Seriously, can I use it? Hello? I need it for the audition. Could somebody answer me? Jesus, talk to me. I'm a human being up here, for God's sakes. Don't just look at each other. Answer me. Can I use it?
Yes.
No!
Now that's in there?
Yes.
Don't just look at each other?
Yes.
Exactly when we did it.
Yes, it's a good play.
Yeah, I guess so.
I mean, it comes from experience, from a real place.
Okay.
Okay, start again. All right. Can I use this chair? Seriously, can I use it? Hello? I need it for the audition. Could somebody answer me? Jesus, talk to me. I mean, I'm a human being up here, for God's sakes. Don't just look at each other. Answer me. Can I use it? God. Oh. You know, you guys sit there, you and your stupid designer tie and your dumbass glasses, imported bottled water, sitting looking down at the lowly actor on the stage, getting off on your power trip. Well, you know what? Fuck you. I don't need to be in your stupid, dumbass sitcom. It's not funny. You know what? It's never gonna work. Fuck you guys. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Whoa.
That was weird.
What was it?
And scene.
Great!
No! God! Let me start again. Can I use
No,
this chair?
kid.
Seriously.
Kid, we've seen enough. You got the goods.